Hi friends, this is Sakshi. Again a warm welcome to all of in my channel. So in today's video, I am going to share with you all the recipe of Gulab Jamun, which is my mom's recipe, and she is also going to help me with it. So I hope you like this video. If yes, go ahead and subscribe my channel for more and amazing different videos like this. Also let me know in the comment section if you want any other video. Let's get started. So friends, for the dough, I am going to add first 9 tablespoons of milk powder. ये दूसरा बराबर है ना? ऐसे दिखा देती हूँ ना? Now I have added 9 tablespoons of milk powder. Now I am going to add 3.5 tablespoons of Maida. Now I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of Suji. I have finished adding semolina, which is 1.5 tablespoons. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of baking soda. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk. After milk, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of curd. Now we are going to make the dough. Friends, I have finished making the dough. So friends, now for the syrup, I am going to add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Now we are going to turn on the flame and keep it on low. Now friends, we are going to convert the dough into small balls. Friends, the chashni is almost ready. Now we are going to add some rose water. If you want, you can add any flavor you want, or else you can skip it. Friends, now I am also going to add some cardamom powder. You can also add the whole cardamom if you want. Friends, now on the other side, our balls are ready. Now they are ready to be fried. Friends, please remember to fry it in ghee and on low flame. Friends, on the other side, my mom is making pan Gulab Jamun, and if you have gulgand, you can fill it. Friends, to make the shape of cylinder, you should apply just a touch of ghee, and these type of gulab jamuns are mostly found in Lucknow. Friends, this is a Gulkand pan and it is a mouth freshener. You can have it after dinner every day, and even you can get it from market. Friends, now these all gulab jamuns are ready to go in the syrup. Friends, you cannot get these type of gulab jamuns generally, but my mom tried out some new version of it. You can also fill this round gulab jamuns and you can make it. Friends, it is ready. So friends, now when it was hot, we all tasted it and it was very delicious. Now if you want to eat it for 5 to 7 days, then you can store it in fridge, and if you want you can keep it outside and finish it in 3 to 4 days. Bye.